In this section, we are going to see about proportion. What is meant by proportion? It's very simple. If two ratios are equal, it's called as proportion. Let me take two ratios, A is to B and C is to D. If these two ratios are equal, so this is called as proportion. So it's very simple. So if two ratios are equal, it's called as proportion. Sometimes more than two ratios will be equal. That is, A is to B is equal to C is to D is equal to E is to F. If more than two ratios are equal, that is also called proportion, but this is said as continued proportion. So proportion is equating two or more ratios. Okay, already we know the stuff ratio. So ratio is nothing but comparing two or more quantities of same kind. Okay, let me take two quantities X and Y. So both these two quantities are same kind. So for example, I am saying X is milk and Y is water. Here both these two quantities are of same kind. How? Because both milk and water are liquids. So that is why I am saying X and Y are of same kind. So we can do ratio between them because of they are same kind. So the ratio between X and Y is X is to Y. But in proportion, we cannot expect all the four quantities to be of same kind. According to the definition of ratio, the quantities we compare must be of same kind. But in proportion, we have four quantities. We cannot expect all these four quantities. That is A, B, C, D. All these four quantities cannot be expected to be of same kind. But the two quantities A and B in the ratio on the left side will be of same kind. C and D in the ratio on the right side must be of same kind. So for example, 12 chocolates is to 16 chocolates is equal to rupees 3 is to rupees 4. Here we have a proportion. So look at the two quantities in the ratio on the left side. Both of them are same kind because both of them are chocolates. Look at the two quantities on the right side. Both of them are rupees. So both of them are same kind. So we cannot expect all the four quantities to be of same kind, but the two quantities in the ratio on the left side must be of same kind. The two quantities on the right side, in the ratio on the right side must be of same kind.